up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't need to cut, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, back again with another video. We're gonna, basically, we're prepping for just like BMW run. SoCal BMW LA is throwing this run to where they're coming to our area. Well, the meetup spot in the morning is in our area. Me and Juan's area. So, well, you know, Juan's bringing out the E30, you know what I'm saying? You know, he always, every time he gets a new project, he forgets about it. You know what I'm saying? But he's bringing it out again. Back to the actual event. Basically, they're bringing like an event this way with, you know, of course, BMW's only. And we're gonna, the starting point is in the city that I stay in, and then we're gonna go from there to a spot like about 45 minutes away-ish, and then have lunch there, and then we're gonna hit a canyon up there and end in a couple cities over. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to Juan's house. You know, I got him some, he asked me to pick him up some freaking tape because he's painting his wheels. He decided to paint his wheels before the event, and I gotta fix my exhaust leak, and put on my ascending exhaust back on, because you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I miss it. And then we're gonna wrap my back trim piece that's on my trunk, that's still silver. We're gonna wrap that, you know, the color of the cars, and then the car will be 100% complete, you know, with the wrap process. Oh, my trim piece, my trim clips came also, so put on the trim piece and paint them and put them on to the car. So then the car will be 100% complete. I know I'm talking a lot, man. Man, let's get into it, man. I know I said let's get into it, but hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And like, you know, the video, comment, you know what I'm saying? And all that good stuff, so let's finally get into it. All right, for sure. All right, man, we put up to Juanitos, you know what I'm saying? He's painting the wheels over here. You know what I'm saying? With the barrels, and then gonna do the faces. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go and do the calipers, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. Okay, got the caliper all brushed up, you know, wiped down, you know what I'm saying? About to spray it in this, some of the silver, you know what I'm saying? Because they're already silver, it's gonna make it look more silver and cleaner, you know what I'm saying? So, about to throw some base coats and stay tuned for it. Okay, Juan got a first pass on this wheel. That's before, after. Bro, it looks way freaking cleaner. Oh yeah, it's getting more silver at this point. Oh, what's that in the wheel?
It's a scratches. Whoever had it before me fucking curved the wheel.
Right. By the way, this is how the caliper turned out. You know what I'm saying? Super shiny silver. Super shiny. And then this is the rear one. This one came out like more clean because this one's already primer. The rears are already primer previously, but the fronts is freaking fire, boy. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and then we back. You know, of the caliper. You know what I'm saying? That's how it turned out. Pretty silver actually. And then over here is the wheels. How they turned out. You know what I'm saying? And then with the black barrels over there. And then center caps, you know, light coats at the time. And then those. Drying. Basically, I'm just about to torque the wheels down over here. Torque them down for them, and we're gonna see what the rest we do. Oh, gotta install the exhaust on 36. Install the exhaust on 36, and then we'll see what we do after that. Ascending exhaust back on, taking this off. Got the hanger off already. Now I just gotta unbolt those four right there and drop it, and vice versa for the ascend. All right, what up, guys, man? It's another day, you know what I'm saying? Put the exhaust on, Juan finished his wheels, and I realized I really didn't even have an exhaust leak, so that's a good thing. But for the most part, wrapping up. And see you guys at that BMW run. If I don't see you, you guys are seeing this. Today is the day. Today's the day where we're going on the BMW run. You know what I'm saying? For the most part, all I got to do is finish detailing the car last night. All I basically got to do is just, I think I'm gonna put more gas because I'm gonna have a tank. So I think I'm gonna like put it like 3/4, in between 3/4 and the full, maybe fill it up. I don't know, I'll see when I get to the gas station how I'm feeling about it. And then meet up at 1, or probably meet up at 1, then we hit the gas station and then come around to the meetup spot. Yeah, that makes more sense. Oh, and I don't have a camera passenger. So my bad for not being able to get most of the footage, you know what I'm saying? I get as much as I can though, you know what I'm saying? So bear with me on that part. And see you guys there. Bro, I thought I lost you.
Any decals made? Let me know. I'll make decals.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Freaking. We turned around in the can because it started raining going up there, and come to find out none of us have windshield wipers. So, yeah. So I stopped, waited for him because I knew he didn't, and then he turned around, and then when we stopped, waited for him to come, come to find out he didn't have windshield wipers either. So now we're taking pictures down here in the nearby city. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, you know what I'm saying? Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, you know what I'm saying, if you like it. I enjoyed it for the most part until it started raining, and then, yeah, that's what happened. But stay tuned for the next video. All right.